Hi, I'm Tom Butzler from Penn State Extension. I'll show you how to make your own mix of potting media to grow potted plants indoors, outside on your deck, or elsewhere. I'll show you what types of media you can use and why you should avoid pure soil for potted plants. Let's take a look. When growing plants in pots, you should avoid garden soil. Soil often contains soil-borne diseases and other pests that are bad for seedlings in pots. It also often has poor drainage. Potting mix is not actually soil. It is a mixture of ingredients such as peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. It is lighter to allow better airflow and water drainage for healthy root growth. It is also sterile to prevent introducing disease and pests. Potting mix might also contain other materials such as pine bark, coconut coir, fine sand, and compost. It may also contain fertilizer to aid in plant growth and health. Before you decide if you want to make your own potting media mix, consider how much plant potting you'll be doing. If you're only planting with a few pots, it is probably easier just to buy pre-made soilless potting mix at the store. Making your own potting mix becomes more economical the more pots you use. When making your own potting mix, you'll often find the lighter, the better. Light mixes make it easier for water, air, and fertilizer to get to the roots. It has better drainage and will make your pots way less and easier to move. Start with a basic recipe, then adjust the pH based on your plant needs. Here is a basic recipe that you can use. 1 bucket or 10 quarts of coconut coir, a half a bucket or 5 quarts of perlite, a half a bucket or 5 quarts of vermiculite, a half a bucket or 5 quarts of screened compost, 2 cups fine sand, 2 cups pelleted time-release fertilizer. Mix all of these ingredients together thoroughly in a large enough container. You can double or triple each ingredient for larger quantities. Once you've mixed these materials together, you're now ready to use it in your pots. You can store away your potting mix and use as needed.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.